Hello guys, we meet again. In this new Inkscape video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a pattern. In this video, I will show you two methods of the pattern creation. This first is a easy one. I already have a background here, a dark purple background. You can create one if you want. And then I'm gonna create a new layer and name it pattern object, and I'm gonna draw maybe 3 or 2 object, any random object. You can draw anything you want. I'm just gonna let's try to maybe like that, modify it a little bit, maybe like this, and then I'm gonna draw sorry. Maybe change the color to orange. And then I'm gonna play with the handler here, maybe like this, and play with change this or this value. Oops. Sorry. Maybe like that, and then create another one. Well, let's just make it 2. But if you read my article tutorial, I create 3 object, random object, but let's make it short, a short video, so I'm just gonna create these 2, and then I'm gonna select these 2 object and go to object, pattern, and choose object to pattern. Now create a shape that you want to apply our pattern object, maybe just like this. Fill, select and go to object to pet, select these 2, and maybe oops. Just like that. I'm gonna select and go to fill, setting, and choose pattern. The pattern name will add on the pattern name will add on the top of the pattern list. This is our pattern object name, and as you can see, this pattern also have its this where is the it has a wait gonna I'm gonna look for the handler. I can see the handler. Oh, this is the handler. Sometimes the handler is placed outside our canvas, so you have to look the circle and rectangle handle here, where you can. This is a scale handle, and this is a direction, rotate like this, maybe if you want, and this is origin. The X sign is origin point. You also can change the before you apply on the shape here, you can change this one like this. If you want to and you can select again, go to object pattern and pattern, and it will create another pattern like that. Create another pattern object, and then where is the handle? There, maybe like this, until you have a unique pattern object you want. Then you can back to the old pattern object like that. Okay, and the second method is by using create tile clones technique. We will delete this shape and gonna maybe use the old pattern object, and we will create a rectangle. Create a rectangle, simple rectangle here like this, and make sure your snap tool here are selected, active like that. And then select the rectangle and go to edit and look for clone. Edit, where is it? Clone, and choose create tile clones. you will your create tile clones window will open. I'm gonna make it a row and column 3 and choose P1 simple translation and press the create button here. Now you have the clone tiles, but always remember the original rectangle also have its clone, so you need to delete the clone tiles of the base rectangle. Now we have 9 rectangle, and then next you have to bring the object button to the top home, so you click on this, or maybe we can just put it on the top like that. And next you need to group or the clone tile group and go to fill setting, choose pattern. Now the pattern is already applied, then object already apply, and choose this edit node, and now you can arrange, modify a little bit as you like, maybe like this. Okay, this one here looks better, I think. And you can align in the middle of the page. Let's see if you can expand. Like this. Okay, that's it, I think. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye.